What is up, sneaker fans? Thanks for tuning in to another unboxing review. Today I got something very special. LeBron James is going to his 16th season in the NBA, and Nike has just released the 16th iteration in the LeBron James Nike Signature Collection. Starting with the packaging, a lot of subtle details all throughout in metallic gold. LeBron XVI Roman numerals on the front. Familiar lion logo on the side of the box, and on the back a Nike swoosh. Up top you'll find the LeBron James crown logo as well as the Dunkman logo etched into the box, and this box is an absolute unit. I mean, size 17 shoes could have fit in here. I was surprised, but looking inside I realized why. Some more nice details. You got a metallic gold sticker with HFR and the crown logo. But enough talking about the packaging, now let's get into the shoes. The gold theme of the box continues on the shoe itself, all throughout the upper, midsole, and the outsole. I like the different materials used. It's been a while since I've seen leathers or synthetic leathers on a LeBron, and I think this is the first model in a long time that I can wear it casually. Getting back into the reason why this box is so damn big, you get a couple accessories with the shoes. Dust bag, LeBron James crown logo and HFR branded, metal tips on the drawstring. You also get another smaller bag in the same material containing an extra set of anklets in white. But that's enough of that. Let's get into a detailed look at the shoe. Starting with the upper, which is almost entirely made up out of that BATTLEKNIT 2.0 material. I find this is definitely way stronger than the previous iteration. It said that they've added an extra layer of yarn to this, and I can definitely feel it. The tongue is made up of a nubuck material, the same nubuck material that's used for the heel counter. And you can find gold hits on the eyelets as well as on the tongue that holds the anklet. Now getting a little bit more detail into this anklet, this was an interesting design element of the shoe, but we have to remember that this was a woman's only release. For sure a very shiny and intriguing addition to the shoe, but I need to commend the designers for being different and putting something like an anklet on a LeBron, something that I've never seen and definitely differentiates the shoe. On the back of the tongue there's a decent amount of padding, as well as what looks to me as the names of the designers, Kimberly, Felicia, and Undra. The lace tips are metal and gold colored, which brings us to the lacing system, which is pretty interesting. Now, what you see isn't what you get. The laces that go through the lion's mouth in the back and in the tongue are completely independent of the laces that you see here, which is just elastic. I suspect that the lacing system on the performance version as opposed to this lifestyle version will be different, because I could see this having a lot of issues as far as on-court performance. But now let's take a look inside the shoe. You get a decent amount of padding in there. The heel cup is well padded. The tongue has a decent amount of padding inside. The insole is an ortholite insole with a lot of print on the bottom. Let's take a look at the insole. And on the insole you could see the crown logo as well as HFR again, as well as loyalty, dignity, courage, and strength. Now let's take a look at the cushioning system, which is comprised of 3 individual zoom airbags, very aggressive looking traction, modified herringbone, as well as multi-directional traction in the back, as well as some more gold hits. You can find flex screws at the toes as well as another crown LeBron James logo. And that about brings us to the end of this review. Thank you so much for watching. Like if you want to support what I'm doing. Subscribe if you want to stay notified on what's coming next. Wear what you like, not just the hype. This has been a More Than Hype unboxing and review.